As of January 2026, JPES Tutoring has over 20 students. 71% of them are homeschooled. Everybody else is either in public or private school or out of school. All students work with us 1 to 2 days a week. You could work 3 days a week with us, but typically 2 is the sweet spot. All students have to get started through our onboarding process, and that's when parents sign up for a free online consultation. We do this through Zoom, and after a meeting and after we figure out if JPES and the family are a good fit together, that means they sign up with the student registration form and we get you guys on the calendar. Pretty much everybody takes the IXL diagnostic through ELA, and that just means that they get a free online account through us that they get to use the entire time that you're working with us. That means we have a diagnostic once you finish it. We also do accept other tests too, like an Iowa State test or something that the school has given them, like a recent reading level, some of their writing samples. That helps us to gauge where they are so we can ferret out any of the weaknesses so that we can help strengthen those. Everybody's using the Michael Clay Thompson homeschooling curriculum, so that means that some students are using all of the books, some of them are only using the grammar book or the Caesar's English books only. Either way, they get a lot of value out of it because it's that classical education where you're finding out where do our words come from. They learn history, and it's a lot of fun and it's really meaningful. All students use Google Drive with us. That allows us to send and receive work efficiently. That allows them to see any feedback that we give them at all, and it gives parents a chance to actually see what their students are doing with us. That way there's no secrets with our lessons at all. They get to see what paragraphs, essays, anything that their students are working on. That's all saved in the Google Drive, and then that means students have a portfolio that they can take with them onto their future endeavors. Some of our students are doing a novel study with us. That means that they're reading the classics and they need a little bit of help, or we're doing like an in-depth study where we're reading some in class, we're assigning some reading outside of class, and a lot of them, they love reading so much and they're getting a lot out of it, so they choose another book. And sometimes we recommend the books, other times students simply ask, hey, could we read this? And we usually agree to it. Those are the 7 recent facts about JPES tutoring. Comment below if you want to know more.